much and much full, so I had taken a new content for my viewers. So this is a birthday surprise. So we are going to make 5 websites in this series. So we are going to wait and we are going to learn. Simply, I had created a HTML, CSS, JavaScript folder and I had opened with my code editor. As you can see, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript sites. So here we are going to make the whole sites. And if you are new in my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's start our video. As you can see, I am in my desktop. So if you know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so you are a web developer and you can make a site easily. Let's start by opening our VS Code, and first we have to create a folder name of 1 is equal to a first site, and file with index.html. That will be file where the HTML going with where HTML will be, and there will be a file that will be style.css where the CSS will be, and there will be my favorite file that I love to do, that is script.js. So here will be the JavaScript. Simply enter Control B for close the Explorer and to the index.html. Simply put here and doc type and name the document HTML, CSS, JavaScript simply, and link the files are given here. Link CSS will be here, and there will be a script. There will be a script src. What will be the src script.js, and come in the body where the work will be. So simply we are going to add a toggle on button that I am going to told you that will be a theme button that I will using in my site. Toggle dark mode, you can say it, that is a toggle dark mode that is using here. So what we need to, how can you make it? We are going to make it using JavaScript. So that is so much easy, not so much harder. We are going to wait. So, now first, as you can see, I had made it, and then simply you have to open your if you have to open your workspace too. So you have to see your work. You can say the web view that is going on. Simply save. Now in the body we are going to type the HTML like this. So what is the HTML? Dot container. That is a container where will be the header. The head will be. After that, what will be here? So simply there will be an dot a that is present that is praising us that it's our div, and a is equal to anchor is equal to the a have, you can say is equal to anchor tags. There they are. So we are going to use these in the a. Simply what you need dot right. What is dot right? Dot right is a logo. So we are going to write in the dot right and anchor tag with the help of index, and class will be here with the name of right. We don't want the class and and here there will be what? The code with SR. Simply, that is enough for the logo. You can take your own logo too, but I need only this. This will be enough. And then there will be dot left. Wait, that is, and wait, we have to take it left, and that will be right, like this. So in this will be the logo at the left, and at the right there will be home and contact us. So there will be an anchor tag with the left index.html, and there will be home. After home, what will be here? After home there will be contact. Now the simple work, that is CSS. If I go live from here, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit the bell icon button and hit the subscribe button. So why you are going to hit the bell icon button to get my new videos. As you can see, it's looking like this, not so much better. For the beauty, I will use the CSS. So first I will write here multiply. You can write here body too, but I use the star. So you can use the body, like only write here body and add the body, write the thing you want. We need body, but not now. Now in the multiply, I am going to write a margin 0. I am going to use body. In the next project we are going to use the next one. The margin will be 0. If you see now, the margin has been finished, and then they will be padding 0. So the padding will be 0 too. And now what we need? We need one more thing that's so much important. So we need a toggle button too. You can say a button with a button that will be changed. Wait, which div is this? Okay. So we are going to make a button that will change the theme. So what we are going to write here? Wait a second. Whatever. We are going to start our work. How? With an anchor tag with the index.html and open it simply like a div, and then add the image. Why we added the image? Because we need the SRC. We are going to add the image when we click it. So that will be with dark mode with light mode icon. Not, we are not going to take this. What we are going to write here? Simply write here cdn.js.com/libraries. You can say /library/font or something. Simply I will give it in the description to come down. There will be an HTTPS. You have to simply copy it. Control T. Come here. What you are going to write here. The font also. You can use any other two, but I prefer that you use font also, because it gives us a good performance. So what? Click to the icon and come here. What you have to write here? You have to write here toggle dark light mode. We have to see if there is. So we are going to enter. And now we are going to take a toggle Okay, there is a toggle and we toggle dark, come up back, dark, there is dark, circle off. We have to take this one, it's looking good. Simply right click on it and come in my HTML CSS JavaScript file. Come here. We don't need it, paste it, simply save it. There will be an icon here. So you will see here. Wait a sec. Where is it? Where is it? What's not showing us? Refresh it and wait. Control Z. If I paste it here like this, finish it. We are going to write here how. After this, like this, we need an button. Paste it here. There is a button. Like you can say dark and light. Save it. It will be dark and light. But why is not showing? Wait, we have to paste the link to so that shows. Save it. Now that will be showing us. You can see. But space will be here. Not the margin will be here. There will be an NBN with this I think NBN. No break space. Yes. Little bit more. NBN again, no break space, save it, how it's looking like this. Okay, what we need here, we need here like we need add the button, we need an on click to my function. Simply this is my function, and then what you have to give it a class A like this. Save it, simply the word. And what you have to do now, you have to save it first. Come here. Now the styling is matter. So what? Right here dot A. That is a dot A. We need here the background color. What I am going to give the background color, so there will be the background like a light one. We can write background and there will be a RGB, that will be 0, you can say, and that will be 02 and that will be 02. Save it. That will be in black, but there will be one more, that will be 0.1. And RGB there will be A. Save it, wait. Two. Okay. But what is going on? We need the background color. Why it's not showing? But I am going to write here 0, 1, 0. Wait. What we are going to do? Only 0.2, okay. 0.02. You can say 0.01, not 0.11, 0.11. 1.0 and again Wait, we need here one more thing, that is background, and like I'll take the black one. Now what we need, the black, that will be black. Duplicate. Now add a alpha. What is that? Only, you can say, like only 14. Not does it. Where is it? Why it's not showing us? Okay, I know. There will be background color. That will be color. Save it. Okay, there is it. More lighter. More lighter. Little bit more. Like 2. No, there is, but no, that's not looking okay. That will be, and there will be an padding of 20 pixels. Simply save it, and wait, that is so much. Save it. 10 pixels will be fine, and there will be no margin, and that is done. Now what we have to do, we have to write here dot right and dot left. So dot right is going to float right, and dot left is going to float left, like this. But dot A have an height of 100 pixels. Simply save it. Okay. 100 not 80 pixels, and then what we want here, and then these are classes. We have to copy it first, and I will paste it, and there will be A like this. Simply duplicate it, and they will be left to right. So add the left one. What you have to write here, left A have a thing, that is the text decoration, that will be none. The font size of 20 pixels, like 27 pixels. Okay, and there will be a padding of 2 pixels, and there will be a transition 0.5 seconds, like this, and there will be a color. You can say the color will be fully black, and there will be a font family. Will be font family. We have to write open. That's not the cursive. You can say okay, looking good. Margin of 10 pixels, much 30, like this, not, and that will be margin left. Wait, we have to do it left, like this, and there will margin top 2, but that will be not 30, that will be 70. Okay, fine. Like now we need the hover on it first. I'm going to paste this thing left. Okay, as an A with the hover property, the color set it to, like you can say, gray. Save it. And font will be 900. Save it. There will be more transition. 1.9 seconds, I think. Wait, here we need like 1.5 seconds. Okay, now we have to give the right one. First, the same things like copy it simply and paste it like this. But there are things that is the color. We have to change. We will change the color, the font family, the margin. Okay, and the padding of 2 pixels will be not. Padding will be embed font size font like this. The font size I am going to give, that will be of 10 pixels. Little bit bigger, like 18 pixels. Okay, like 14. Okay, and the font will be like 200. Okay, it's looking like this. Okay, the font family will be shade, like you can say cursor. Okay, but we need font width 900. Note. Bolder, save it. Note. We can change this. Only cursive. Only width. Only cursive will be fine. Note. We have to change that. We will sans serif. The best I thought. Okay, that is right. The hover property will be on it. What will be the hover property? The hover property will be, I think, the color changing little bit different from the logo. That is, I think. Wait, we are going to write it. Don't write. Have an A over. Wait. Dot right. Wait. Dot right. Have an A with the over like this, and there will be a transition. The transition I am going to give that the transition will be 0.5 seconds. Only transition. Transition. 0.5 seconds. Like this, and there will be a color of color. You have to write the color. I think that will be gray, but little bit change. I am going to change it like lighter. Okay. Now the button. What's the class of the button? We have to see the class of the button. Okay, we have to change. That will be like PTN. Save it. Okay. The old key function will be uses like 2, and we are going to put button. Padding will be of like 5 pixels. Border will be none. And outline will be 0. Wait, I thought that is a problem. Save it now. But the border will be, the outline will be 1 pixel solid. black. Solid. Okay. Now they will be on board with it. Yes, 2 10 pixels I think. Okay. And what? Wait. The cursor will be pointer. Okay, now will be in background color too. Background color. What will be the background color? You can say orange. Note. Grade. We can say the like this. Okay. Little bit like this. Okay. Looking good. Now what we need, and over on it too. That will be the button. They will be transitioned to 0.9 seconds. And what will be here? Dot button over color. Wait. At the end they will be black. And there will be a dot. Like this, the color will be changed. Like you can say the color get into this curve with the transition 0.9 seconds. Looking nice. Now what we need and search bar or not. It's fine. Now there is, we can make a search bar too. Like we come here and add here and in with the search. There will be a search bar, okay. But there will be an VR, you can save it. We have to give now like last I'm going to give that input. Save it. But that's not. Come here, started input. There will be an padding of 3 pixels. Wait. Padding of 3 pixels. Save it. Okay. There will be margin of 10 pixels. And there will be the border. Save it. And there will be the back color. Background will be transparent. Save. Here is it. But there will be more thing that to right here. That is outline. Outline. Wait. Outline will be 0. Like this. Okay. Will be on border. Like border bottom. Move 2 pixels solid gray. Save it. There is it. Where is it? Okay. Now what we need. Okay, now fine. Now we are going to we need a search icon. Yes. We need a magnifying glass, you can see. But we have to search. That is simply copy it. In your page. Wait, we have going to save here. We'll come here, Alt 1, then simply get a like there's your little bit margin will be finished. If there is margin, we are going to give it margin top will be fine. Simply save it like this. It's looking good now. And we need margin to margin and pixels right. Okay. Now there will be a placeholder here too. What will be the placeholder? The placeholder will be what is your name. Save it. What is your name? We need the color here. Come here and we are going to add the color that the placeholder needs a color that will be light gray. Light gray, light blue will be fine. Now we need the color to color like blue. Okay. Now what? We need a like you can save it. Now what we need here? We need the function on the dark light. What will be? First we have to make a dark mode. Come here. You have to write dot dark and then mode. Dark mode. Please copy it to and there will be a curly bracket like this. The background color will be black and the color is going to be white. Yes. Now what we have to do, please save it. Now you are going to write my favorite language, that is the script. Here make a function that will be that function. We scroll down there, you my function. Simply first copy my function and you can make like this too, and you can make a constant and there is your function here without these is equal to empty bracket, is equal to empty bracket, is equal to ending around. That is a function too, but that is past one. We are going to use the new one. So what we have to make here? We have to make let that will be an like you can say color is equal to document dot body. Enough. That will be enough. Document dot body. Now we are going to write here one more text that will be color dot class list dot toggle. What will be the toggle? The toggle will be the name of the color, that is the dark mode. Simply copy it. Don't the dot is not don't copy it, simply paste it. Save it now. The color will be dark, but we have to change the color. Dark mode. Color wise not changing the why it's changing the color. We are going to change the color. Like we can do it light day like this. The color will be red. Okay, you can see here too, like in dark mode you can see to come back, and here the black will be like tomato color. You can say okay, fine, but we gray color. We have it. After dark mode, I have to tell you a thing here where we have given the background color. We don't need it now because I have taken for an example. Now we need a box shadow. The box shadow of 10 pixels, 10 pixels and 10 pixels. Same. Not like 10 pixels more. Not that we like 7 pixels. Okay. That will be 4 pixels. 4 pixels. And that will be like 2 pixels. No, that will be more. 6 pixels. That will be 6 pixels. Okay. Looking good. Little bit 3. Okay. And then padding. More, we need more padding. And that we can see 20 pixels. Okay. When we click the color graded to like this, there will be a line that's showing us that this is different. But we have to work in white because I like white. Come down. What we need here, we need the position of it, that will be fixed a back at the dot here, right here. Position will be fixed. Not it, that's the problem. What's the problem? You have to make it the width of 90%, not 90%. If you can say 100% too. Wait, little bit more, not more, little bit, like you can say 95, save it like this. Now we are on the next work that will be more impressive, that we are going to make down here a thing that will be like, we can say here will be a table that is going to tell the student list, like MA English you can say. Dot, I will make dot MA like this, and there will be a table with dot my table, and in my table there will be a caption and there will be an H2 named by MA English student list. There is a name list, but we want here that the div is that will be outside, like this. That is outside but not so much. Why we need the, like we need some margin of once BR, no BR, not enough. Wait. There will be an BR, then like this, save it. Okay. We take it like this, but you can write dot MA with dot MA, no, caption have an H2 that will be like 300 pixels, and then 100. Okay, that is a set of one. Now we need the table. So how can we create a table like starting at then BR, and then there will be a TR is equal to table row, and then there will be a Now with that is done, simply we need is an tr that will, if we can say td percent, we can say the marks, where is it? Wait, okay. There will be an th marks, not marks, like this. Now what we need here, we need a tr with the id name Avia, and then the roll number in 412, and then class, and the class will be 16 only, and then there will be an wait will be spam. I have to see come down more. Spam, and that is samp. What is work samp? No, that's not. I think I have to see and say where is the P? And there will be samp. I think what will be, I have to see sub and sub. There will be sub first, I have to see. No, there will be sub like this, and there will be 16th like this. And simply what we need now, we need the marks td 100,000, 1 2 3 4 5 bata same like this. Wait, there is 1 2 3 4, wait, there is 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, okay. And we can need a percentage and a percent. Now we have to duplicate it out, copy it and shift plus old copy. As you can see it's here, but there will be a margin bottom at the top. Say wait, the anchor index, z index will be -1. Wait, now we are going to see, they will be like 78, 20, 1, not 6, and Z. Why? We need the wait. Come down here. There will be dot A margin bottom margin bottom of 50 pixels like. 20 pixels, 1000 pixels. Wait, why it's not changing? We have to come up back, and there will be what? Simply as the index, top will be 0. Top will be 0 like this, and bottom will be like 10 pixels. With that is, if we don't like this, okay, and if we have to write here the absolute, fine. And then what we need, like, now the table will have something, that is, we don't read now this margin. I write here position. X, so the position will be fixed, but the text is coming up. Why? We are going to come up. If we didn't give the padding, like padding, if we give but 0 pixels, it's going down way. I need height more, like 90. No, wait, that will be 80 and padding will be 10. More 20, like this. I mean index, come up. If we finish the BRs like this, and we take this div like in it, so it will be like this, okay. And then body, if body have an height of 900 pixels, okay, it's moving but the position is fixed. Come down, we can see that where is rotate. We don't need the dot A fixed. Finish the position, come down and finish this one too. You can say like save it. Now it's looking like this, but where is the table? We have to write a table. Margin of 30 pixels, save it. 130, like this. And there is an like our anchor tag of left, that is over. That is a add the position, that will be first. Wait, why it's not? Why it's not changing? Wait, we have to finish it like this. Okay, fine. Now we are going to make one more thing, that will be the, wait, come here, that will be 90. Why it's taking here? Okay, we need the width, would be 700, only 500, I think. 600, okay. And table text alignment center, like this, okay. Now what we need here, now that is not enough for a basic site, we need more things. It's looking like this, with basically like I add the dot, like it's looking like this. When I give it, so it will look like this with a black thing. Now we are going to add the next thing, that will be the image. Come in the image and write here dot C for the image. Dot C is going to use for the image. Like there will be our image group, so we are going to start with dot C. It's not for the image. There will be one more hover nav. You can small hover nav, and we want a footer to here. That will be fixed. But we are going to make the footer. In the foot, what we need is, if I write here A, so there will be that is the A. What we need here, BR. Save it. Where is it? Wait. And that is responsible, you can see too. And there is it. And duplicate it. Oh, we don't need this. Now we are going to style it. We are going to write a dot C bottom 0 and top 100%. But why it's not moved? So for the class is full, so we are going to add here for save. If I add and give the top and bottom to it save. I have to give the like bottom will be 0 and left will be 0 too. Not left, we need the position to that will be absolute save. Now is it here, y here, if there is 0, so there is it's here. So we need here the BR. Okay, it's here. Add the bottom thing. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay, but we scroll down, so that is here. So we have to fix it. We are going to come here and write here the position fixed. Okay. Fine. Now what we need? We have to write here many things here. What will be the first thing? And like image group and a paragraph group. Like in the paragraph will be a paragraph with lower name 67, and in the image one there will be image and there will be like MA. We are going to take MA. Right here MA English. Enter, and we are going to take left click and copy image address. Come here and simply paste it. There is an image, but now we have to style it. I will write here dot image, have an image height will be like 100 pixels. Okay, margin will be of 20 pixels, and then we are going to write dot image load will be like right, not left. That's it. Now there is dot p, not dot p, that will be dot put. So we are not going to write here, we are going to write the background color, that is only 10, not background color will be gray, like this. Okay, but we need not like that so much, so we have dot p, then paragraph loading like 20, save it. Okay, now come in styling. Load foot will have an height like 200 pixels. If I do it 100, okay, so it looks like this, like 120, it looks like this, and that's fixed. So we are going to simply change this image one. We are going to write dot image, but there will be no image, but will be at the top text. The copy it like that, not will simply copy it on. No, we need a other text like okay, that is it. But okay, with an image it look like this, and we have to change the height like 80 pixels, and the image height will be like 50 pixels, like this. In the side it is look like this, with the code with a header and with the footer that is fixed. It will not go anywhere. And we need the text here in the index.html. Come here and add here, like we can add here not an image, it will be h2, and thank you for coming, simply save it. Thank you for coming text, but we are going to write here dot h2, font size will be little small, dot h2 have an h2. The font size I am going to do that will be 10 pixels. With that's an h1. Yes, that is an h1. Okay, thank you for coming. They will be like 13 pixels. Okay. Now what we are going to add a basic text, like we can take the image, like we have to copy it, we have to copy this full div, copy it, and simply we can take like div and h2 and copy it, and then paste it, save it. Come down, it's looking like this, but we need a what, the br after table. Simply you have to copy it and come down at the foot. After foot we need here the brs. Save it. These are down. So that's my video where we learn how can we create a site that is related to to study and related to students like MA English, and that is with fake sticky footer and a good nice Navbar with home protectors, and the best thing, dark lightning ones, and with the footer that have the image, and thank you for coming. With the table with the list of it, and after coming down there is a thank you for coming like text you can say, and that's the footer. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content and with my new videos. So we are so much near about 500 subscribers. So complete it. So I will take a new content for my viewers. So take care. Allah Hafiz.